I want to share with you today one tip that can save you hours. Trying to configure installation of these 4 Python packages in Android for graph plotting and statistics was initially a pain and left me stuck for many hours. On your screen, I'm showing build.gradle configuration to build these Python packages. This is the error I got, and after trying various configuration options, I finally figured out what the issue was. To see how I fixed this issue and got successful building Python graph plotting and statistics for Android, watch this video.